let's go ahead and get right into this
Okay.
conversation, man. So, in this type of climate, right,
Yep.
you have a lot of agents that are wondering where they're going to pull out leads, how they're going to attract leads. And you're moving into a realm where it's like social media is a good way to go. Talk a little bit about why you feel social media is the best way to go to get leads.
Yeah, so agents feeling like it's a tough market, right?
Right.
You got to think about this more like a business. So a lot of agents are conducting their business, oh, where's the next deal? Where's the next deal? Where's the next deal? And it's
Right.
not sustainable. Like you know me, I've always talked about building a sustainable real estate business.
Yeah, exactly.
And I feel like people never really understood what I was meaning by that.
Okay.
When we talk about sustainability of a business, that business does not have all of its eggs in one basket,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So if we think about a real estate business, right, and you think about leads and how you get business, most people have always focused on just one source,
Right.
whether it be
Right.
Zillow, Realtor.com,
Hmm.
any other websites, KV Core, right? They're only focused on one source. They've neglected social media, they've neglected their past clients, they've
Hmm.
neglected networking, referral relationships, and all of these are
Follow up.
other baskets that you should be getting business from. So now when the
Hmm.
market gets all crazy and interesting and you feel like business is drying up, you only know how to do one thing,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
And
Right.
you've halfway perfected that one thing just because you chose not to diversify.
Hmm.
So I tell people if you want to get on social media, get on social media. You're on social media all day
Yeah. Right.
already.
Yeah. You're always
But
looking.
what are they thinking? They think, oh, I don't know how to do it. I don't know what
Hmm.
to say. I don't know what to do. Well, freak, what the heck have you been doing
Just get out there
on social
anyway.
media for all these hours? Right?
Taking in information.
Just taking in information
Hmm.
that you're doing absolutely nothing with.
Right.
Most people know what to do, they're just not doing it.
Hmm.
And
Exactly.
that's the real of the matter. So once one decides to take that step and actually create some social media content, set up some DDPs, you know, join a program if you don't know how to do it. Once they
Hmm.
actually take that step, then they'll get results. But what most people are doing, what are they doing? They're sitting there saying, I don't know. I don't know. I'm
Hmm.
scared.
Scared to
I'm
jump off the
shy.
porch.
I'm this and that. But
Right.
yet you're spending 8 hours looking at somebody else's TikTok
Hmm.
or spending 2 hours looking at how good I'm doing it or somebody else is doing it and hating or saying that's just not me
That's
or
not
I don't know
me.
how to do that.
Exactly. Exactly.
So you got to
Hmm.
take a step.
You do. You really do. That's good. That's good.